Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can put two tables side by side in Google Docs. This is useful when you are comparing data, building a resume with two columns, or creating layout where you want two separate tables to sit next to each other instead of stacking on top of each other. The thing is that there is actually no feature that allows you to place two tables side by side directly. So we need to create container table first in which we are going to put those two tables. So I'm going to click on insert, then table, and we can create this 2 by 1 table. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to place cursor in the first cell. I'm going to go again to insert, table, and here you're going to select the size of the table you want to add. So let's say we can do this 6 by 3. I'm going to select it, and we have this first table. Then I'm going to place cursor in my other cell. I can go again to insert, table, and here again, I can choose if I want to make it same size or maybe smaller. Let's say we can do the same, so 6 by 3. Now you have to right click on the line of the first 2 by 1 table, which we created firstly. So from the drop down, you want to go to table options, and here where it says color, you want to choose white. And you can also change this border to 0. And now we have two tables side by side. So now I can name this table 1, table 2, and now you can type in the tables. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.